Hey, are you looking for good quality drones from Hubsan brand? I have selected top Hubsan drones from Aliexpress to see high percentage of selling rate, demand, and customer rating. All the links of the drones are in the description below the video. Subscribe on my channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. This video is sponsored by couponsview.com. Here you will find all flash deal offers and coupon discount codes from various popular e-commerce sites like Aliexpress, Amazon, and others. You will get the link in the description box. So let's start the video. In number 5, the best Hubsan drone is H501A X4 Air Pro. Recently this drone price is $245.25. This has been rated as the best drone model of the Hubsan brand. For many experienced drone enthusiasts, the Hubsan H501A model is definitely among the favorite, low-cost X4 quadcopters. It is powered by a 2700 mAh LiPo battery. This tremendously sleek drone has an exterior that has come a long way in stepping up the drone game, especially when compared to previous Hubsan models. Its capacity to handle flight durations up to 20 minutes is among the biggest standout features of this drone. Additionally, its flight time is similar to that of more advanced drones, like the DJI Phantom and Parrot Bepop. It has a brushless 5.4 GHz transmission that enables a seamless FPV experience, powered by its integrated 1080-pixel camera. Within this price range, the H501A X4 is among the most stunning drones you will ever see. Under each arm, there are also 4 bright LED lights. It has an automatic return home function, includes a GPS and automatic return to home function. If your control signal is interrupted, or if the battery gets down too low, your drone will start to head back to its takeoff point. In number 4, another Hubsan drone is Hubsan H117 Zino. The Hubsan Zino is a foldable drone that comes with a 4K camera and some advanced features. It is a cheaper alternative to the likes of the DJI Mavic and Parrot Anafi. It comes with advanced flight modes like a waypoint, tracking, and line fly. It also comes with an intelligent battery with a failsafe that will be activated when the battery is low on charge. It is an affordable 4K camera drone that is suitable for both aerial photographers and beginners. Already this drone price is $274.65. This drone has a simple design with aerodynamics, and a smooth body line reduces air resistance and achieves stable flight with high agility. A newly designed 3-axis gimbal is mounted to enable stable shooting. The transmitter can easily adjust the shooting angle of the gimbal. The 4K Ultra High Definition image records flight with unprecedented tightness. Rediscovering the pleasure of photography by the bright wide-angle lens of f2.2, which was mounted on the body. It is equipped with a 1-key automatic takeoff function, automatic landing and return to home function. Accurate position information supports your maneuvers wherever the quadcopter is. Hubsan rates the drone for 23 minutes of flight time per charge. That represents a 30% improvement over DJI Spark 16-minute maximum. And it surprisingly outpaces even the Mavic Air 20-minute maximum as well. The battery housing itself is also quite robust. The battery is held in by clips, which are well constructed and durable. And the clips are also easily removed without much hassle. This drone equipped with many multifunctional modes: automatic return home mode, 360-degree panorama mode, follow mode, waypoint mode, etc. In number 3, the drone is original Hubsan Quadcopter-Zino Pro. The Hubsan Zino Pro is a 4K camera drone that comes with some amazing features and costs less than $400. It can record 4K videos at 30 FPS and take some amazing high-quality images that even professional photographers would be pleased. The camera comes with a dedicated video processing chip from Ambarella and an image sensor from Sony. It comes with dual GPS systems and several smart flight modes and has a flight time of around 23 minutes. Now this drone price is $331.88. It has a 4K Ultra HD camera, panorama shooting, GPS, vision auxiliary landing, orbiting, headless waypoints, line fly mode, image tracking, automatic takeoff and landing, automatic return home, low power failsafe mode, flight control failsafe mode, 4-kilometer flight distance, detachable filter and brushless motor. This drone has a 3-axis gimbal 4K HD 3840 by 2160 resolution. 30 fps, panorama shooting. Removable lens can be equipped with filters, to reduces the amount of light coming into the sensor, giving you the freedom to create your own work by allowing more control of the camera's aperture, exposure time, and sensor sensitivity settings. Its advanced image transmission system least 1.0 increase live video. Transmission range up to 4 kilometers. Fast and no delay 5G Wi-Fi real-time transmission. Lets you enjoy an FPV experience. It has an automatic return home function and searches apron. Loss control failsafe, and lower battery failsafe function. When the aircraft battery level is low, the flight control system automatically determines if the aircraft can return to the takeoff points. It greatly reduces the possibility of crash and loss of aircraft. It has a powerful brushless motor and 11.4 volt, 3000 mAh battery provide the done 23 minutes flying time and give you a forceful and powerful flying experience. And at second place the drone is HUBSAN H109SX4 Pro. HUBSAN may be popular for their smaller toy class drones, but they build some serious gear as well. The HUBSAN H109S Pro is a larger drone in their lineup, large enough to carry a GoPro. The H109S Pro has its own GoPro-sized camera installed, a 1080-pixel shooter that was good in its time, but is far inferior to a modern GoPro. This is a simple machine and the gimbal is not stabilized, but if you are looking for a drone that is made to carry a GoPro camera, this is one of the best from a toy class manufacturer. Recently this drone price is $359.99. The 7000 mAh battery that is humongous for a quad. It is simply the largest battery that any company has put inside a 300 size quad, and this is a key feature. The HUBSAN X4 Pro records flight times 35 minutes without the camera gimbal system and about 25 minutes with it, and that is impressive again. This makes the HUBSAN the drone with the largest battery and longest flight times in the multi-rotor drone class. The controller has not been as covered in media, but HUBSAN claims that the controller can navigate via waypoints, and have GPS features like automatic takeoff, hover, return home, etc. We suspect that the HUBSAN has the autopilot controller, which allows for waypoint navigation, which has only been seen in the Wakera QRX350 Pro, which uses the same controller. The HUBSAN H109AX4 Pro FPV quadcopter was rumored to come with 2 antennas, the Clover and Patch. This will provide a video distance of between 300 and 2000. This has yet to be confirmed. The camera in the X4 Pro is HUBSAN's own version of a 13-megapixel HD aerial camera. It also comes with a GoPro configuration. The camera has a 3-axis gimbal system, which has an angle sensitivity of 0.03. In number 1 the drone is original HUBSAN Zino 2. HUBSAN made a great effort in the Zino 2. The latest drone is an affordable 4K, 60 fps, 3-axis drone, which is an upgrade to its predecessor's 4K, 30 fps. The drone has GPS-supported functions and a tracking feature. The camera suspension is, of course, a 3-axis gimbal. For the first time, the remote control includes a display with information about the aircraft. But in addition, the smartphone is mounted underneath, on which the live image of the camera is displayed. Now, this drone price is $549.99. For the first time, HUBSAN boasts a better camera. The Zino 2 comes with an upgraded camera, from 4K by 30 fps to 4K 60 fps. The size of the lens is larger, with a much better effect of low light. The camera hardware support delayed shooting and lossless output of captured photos in RAW format. The Zino 2 quadcopter comes with a 3800 mAh battery, which can last up to 33 minutes. The LiPo battery is bigger and can be charged for approximately 2 hours. Thanks for this upgrade. The range of the HUBSAN Zino 2 has been improved and can currently travel up to 6 kilometers. The drone has GPS-supported functions and a tracking feature. Image transmission system LIAS 2.0 support using the transmitter to control the drone directly. Transmitter with high brightness display, real-time display of flight telemetry. The high brightness display feature makes it still visible in outdoor sunlight. The remote control in Zino 2 is equipped with more precise control, within your reach. The controller uses the joystick to achieve the omnidirectional operation, which helps to avoid the direction limit. A notable upgrade is the remote control distance increased from 1 km to 6 km, in addition to the extended control range. Zino 2 comes with an integrated LCD monitor that displays detailed information about the drone.
Don't forget to subscribe, and I request you please share this video.